The pressure of an impending sales target can chill even the best salespeople to the bone. No one likes to miss a deadline or target, especially when it's something that is directly tied to your job, or more accurately, a reward. Being intelligent with your target setting and the way you get the team to work towards a target or goal is as important for a business as the sales tools that you make available. As such, we've put together a bit of a plan to help those salespeople out there set better targets and get better at hitting them every time. Hi guys, it's Jack here from Neighborhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. First step to absolutely nailing your sales targets is, obviously, setting good sales targets. Providing motivation to a sales team can be hugely important to their success, and one of the easiest ways to do this is to build out an effective and robust set of goals for your team to aim for. Then, incentivize actually hitting them. So what does a good sales target look like? Generally, good sales targets have the following characteristics. They're SMART. This isn't just me saying that you should have smarter targets. I'm saying they should be S.M.A.R.T, or specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. Being specific means targeting a single specific metric, not just a general target. Being measurable means that success can be easily measured. Attainability means that the target is based on real, past data. You're not pulling a random number out of the air in the hope that it's achievable. Relevance is whether or not the target is actively working towards your larger business targets. Does meeting this target mean your business is improving? Timeliness simply means that the sales target has a specific time frame. It can't be failed. Open-ended targets lack urgency. They're relevant to you, your team, and your business. While having a sticky beak at what your competitors and other businesses are doing can help you ballpark, any and all targets you set up should really be totally original. Consider things like how your sales team sells. Is it mostly over the phone, email, or in person? What sales resources your team has access to? How sales have gone in the past? They're known and understood by everyone. A secret target isn't a target at all, it's a test. Goals are useful because people work harder and faster in order to achieve them. As such, you should really tell the people working towards a target what the deal is. Include them as a part of your company's sales plan and sales training guides to keep everyone on the same page. They're monitored over time, not just reviewed after the fact. Failing to manage your targets over time is basically the equivalent of when people in the movies run in front of something, rolling or falling towards them, instead of just moving sideways, out of the way. You're basically choosing to fail, instead of taking corrective action. Monitoring how things are going and changing tact on the fly is essential to staying ahead of the game. They're revised constantly. As soon as the period that you've assigned the target to has finished, whether it was a success or a failure, you should be planning out the next target. Use what you learned from the last set of targets to make the new one more adventurous or more attainable, and start the process anew. Don't just copy and paste with a 20% bump. You're robbing yourself of useful data. They're based on real data. Don't just pull numbers out of the air. You're not a magician. Goals need to be attainable, and this means they're based on historical data. What sales figures are you used to seeing? What did this period last year look like? How well has your team sold in the past? All of this is relevant to setting a new figure and a smarter goal. They're paired with a reward for success. If you want your sales team to truly give it their all, there has to be something in it for them. It doesn't have to be monetary, though that's obviously an easy win. Perhaps they can be rewarded a different way. A dinner on you, free coffees, extra time off. Offer something that's going to encourage them. If you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, be sure to hit that bell so you stay up to date with all of our latest videos delivered every week to your inbox. Put all those together and you've probably got yourself a killer sales target. What would that target look like? Probably something like 20% increase in opportunities from 130 to 156 within the next 3 months. Hit the target and you'll get a bonus personal day to use at your discretion. The above target is specific, 20% or an increase of 26. It's measurable. Opportunities are easily measured via CRM data. It's attainable. Last quarter saw an increase of 15. So increasing by another 11 is not outside the realm of possibility. It's relevant. This company is looking to push more people through the bottom of their funnel, and it's timely. 3 months. All you need to do now is make it publicly known, monitor it, and review after 3 months. Pump out some sales targets and goals like that and you'll be hitting them regularly. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone you know that needs a hand with their sales targets. You can also subscribe to our blog where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighborhood does. So that's it from me. Happy selling.